Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your Capital One credit card login. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.capitalone.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to a new page. Here, find the option that says Set up online access and click on it. You will need to enter your personal information. Fill in your last name, social security number, and date of birth. After entering the required details, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Capital One account number. If you don't have your account number, select the option for Find My Account for assistance. Once you have entered your account number, click on Continue again. The system will guide you through security questions. Answer them accurately to ensure your identity is verified. After that, you will be asked to create a user ID and password. Choose a unique user ID that you can remember. For your password, ensure it meets the security criteria specified. After setting your user ID and password, click on Finish. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your online access is now set up. Now, return to the main sign-in page. Enter your newly created user ID and password. Click on the Sign In button. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Capital One credit card login. You can now manage your account, view transactions, and make payments online. Remember to keep your login credentials safe and private. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.